Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about tinyURL, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you shorten a link with tinyURL? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to shorten a URL with tinyURL anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that some places you're going to be posting your links can't be past a certain length. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in tinyurl.com. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my tinyURL account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to shorten a link, what you're going to do is just grab the link that you want to shorten. So for example, I'll grab my YouTube channel right here, and then you're going to paste it in right here. Now, once you've done that, you want to click on shorten URL. And as you can see, it just automatically shortens the link. However, if you want to go ahead and shorten the link and customize it, what you're going to do is go ahead and paste the link in here. Okay, we got the link here, and then you can go ahead and customize it. So here you can go ahead and connect a domain if you want to do that, or you can go ahead and just use the tinyurl.com and then enter an alias. So let's just say YouTube. Okay, YouTube. And you want to click on shorten URL, and then they let you know tinyurl.com/YouTube is not available. So you want to go ahead and just make another version of it. Make money Anthony. Okay. And now we're going to shorten it. Okay. So now we have a different version of it, and we customized it. So that way it's not just some random extension of that. And then you can copy it right here. Now, if you need to find the link once again, you can go up here to my URLs on the top right. Okay. It's this button here, my URL. Okay. So here are my URLs. Now, if you want to see the statistics on it, then you will need to upgrade your plan. But for the free version, you can still use the tinyURL with limitations. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to shorten a website URL using tinyURL, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.